Hey guys, the Toys Collector here, and today I will be opening and reviewing this super cool vending machine by miWorld. So this miWorld playset includes one vending machine, 3 soda pop bottles, 3 bags of chips, 3 candy bars, and 1 play charge card. You can refill your vending machine. The drawer even opens. And you can use this vending machine with any miWorld set. How cool! So shall we open? I'm so excited! Inside this playset, we also got some stickers to put on the chips, bottles, candy, and the charge card. And I added all the stickers on the chips, the bottles, and the candies. They look super yummy. What's really cool is I love how this drawer opens. So guys, since our vending machine is ready, I do have some guests. First, I have the adorable Princess Anna, and then I have the beautiful Queen Elsa, and they will both be deciding on what to eat from the vending machine. So Princess Anna, what do you feel like eating? All the choices are so yummy, but I think I'll take a soda pop bottle, and I'm really feeling the orange crush soda. I really feel like having a chocolate bar today. Eating a chocolate bar. Oh my gosh, super exciting. But I think we should call someone over to try the chips. Who should we call? Who's that? It's Ariel. Hi Anna. Ariel, we'd love you to try some chips from this vending machine. That's a great idea. Okay guys, your charge card also goes in this slot, which is super cool. So let me just get all the stuff for Ariel and Anna. Ding! Here's a bag of chips for Princess Ariel. Here's a orange crush soda for Anna. And here's a super yummy chocolate bar for Queen Elsa. Okay guys, Queen Elsa wanted me to open a Shopkins Season 1 blind basket, so maybe we can add to the vending machine. Let's see what's in this Shopkins blind basket. Very cute. These Shopkins baskets come with 2 Shopkins blind bags and a Shopkins list collector's guide. And these Shopkins list collector's guides display all the Shopkins that you can collect from that season. Super cool! Guys, I got a pink cookie. She's so sparkly! Look at this! She almost matches my nails! Super cute! Look at her adorable smile! She will be perfect for the vending machine! Then I got the adorable Swiss Miss. She's a pink Swiss Miss. Cookie is an ultra rare in the bakery section. Yay! Swiss Miss is a common and in the dairy product section. Okay guys, Queen Elsa also wanted me to open a Shopkins Season 2 blind basket. So let's go! Two Shopkins blind bags a Shopkins list collector's guide. The two Shopkins that I got are Sarah Softener and Chloe Flower. These both are duplicates for me, but I'm really happy because they're really cute, guys. But they don't go with the vending machine. So sad. Okay guys, for the miWorld's vending machine, the Shopkins are a bit too big. They can't fit in the vending machine, but they could hang out on top. Guys, here's the vending machine and the adorable Shopkins. Let me know if you liked the vending machine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also subscribe for more toy reviews right here on The Toys Collector. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.